guys, we got our first box of parts in from Lowbrow Customs. They're out of Ohio, I believe. They sell lots of kind of unknown parts. I ordered a few parts for the bike, and then some. I got some apparel from them too, some riding gear, and I've been meaning to pick up a Biltwell helmet for quite some time now too. I got one of those, so I'm pretty excited about seeing what's inside this box, even though I just placed the order. Make a mess there. So we got our exhaust wrap. I chose to go with black. Got the Biltwell helmet here. I did cotton wrapped wiring, multiple colors, so I'll be able to wire the bike up now. Gave me a little keychain. I'll show like some detailed shots of this towards the end of the video. Tons of stickers. A comb. I picked up an ignition switch for the bike. Found this cool knucklehead patch. Put that on something. I got a couple t-shirts from them. I've been meaning to place an order with these guys for a long time. I like a lot of their parts, and some of their designs on their t-shirts are really cool. A knucklehead shirt. I've been wanting that one for a while. It's cool. It says knuckle on the front with a picture of the engine, 36 to 47. That's a neat t-shirt. And another lowbrow design. I'm a big sucker for any kind of wing design work, especially with motorcycle tires involved. Excuse me, I got a cold, so you're definitely going to hear part of that. Let's see what this is. It's a trick. I was opening it wrong. These are the exhaust kind of touch-up brass pieces on the end of the pipes. Oh, this is cool. Some Helicon goggles. I've been meaning to order these for a while. Actually, brass frames. You got brown leather surround with padding. Let's see how it fits. Oh yeah, those are nice. World War II style goggles. I've been wanting these for a while. This will go well with the helmet I got here. Yeah, I picked up the new Kung Fu Biltwell grips. Those are nice. Kind of BMX kind of style. Ribbed. Like I said, I'll show up close of this stuff. Packing list. Got the, this should be the Biltwell helmet. I got this one. You normally get really boring stuff, but I decided to kind of get crazy with this one. I was gonna get the white helmet and just put stickers on it, but I saw this when I was at Zero. It's they call this gangrene. It's a green flake. That's badass. That'll look fun. Really comfortable helmets. They do have a DOT approved version of this helmet now. It's got more padding. This version just fits me a lot better. Illegal. Ooh, and then we got, this must be the build your own exhaust kit. Yeah. So we got several pipe bands and things to go with. See, it's just got a bunch of 180 pipe bends. So I'll be able to cut all that up and make my own exhaust for the bike. That'll be pretty cool. let me grab the camera here. I'll show you some up close footage here. Alright, so we got the bike ignition there. Got our Lowbrow Customs comb here. Got some stickers. Cool little keychain they gave me. Here's the cloth wiring. That's going to look really good on the bike. I think that's going to really help the look of it. These chrome bezel exhaust pieces. I think it's a different size than the exhaust I ordered, but I'll use them somewhere else if not. Here's that cool knucklehead patch. That's really neat. Oh, here's those Biltwell Kung Fu grip. It's pretty nice. It's got a really thick finish on it. See, it's got their logo in there. Just really kind of simple. I think I'll give those a try. Those look pretty cool. I prefer rubber grips over metal. I would do brass grips on this bike, but the problem is when you're riding in hot weather and really cold weather, obviously they get to the point where it's uncomfortable. So there's the heated or the exhaust wrap there. And let's look at the helmet too. You can see that gangrene color. It's pretty awesome. And here's the goggles. And the lenses are replaceable in that. It's I don't know if you can really see it on this camera. It's brass frames and it's like gun blue on there. So really vintage looking goggles there. That'll be fun. Yeah, so there's the update on the bike, or bike parts. That's the first big shipment of stuff to come in. So be looking forward to getting the rest of the stuff here pretty soon, and I'll make more videos on updating you guys on what's coming in. Bye for now.